Good morning, guys! I am up and awake, and holy shit, last night was so much fun. As you all know, it was the 4th of July, and it was great. It was fun. There was a carnival. I didn't really get to go if I wanted to. It was pretty cheap. It was only like $3 a person, but yeah, we guess I just decided not to go, but like right next to the carnival, like the fireworks, like we accidentally picked like the best spot, and they were like absolutely fucking nuts. So please make sure you stay tuned to check them out. They're really, really cool. And make sure you leave down in the comments what kind of fireworks you guys want to see and where, and if you guys had a great time on the 4th of July, because I sure as hell did. I went to my mom's house, I ate some food, and then I went to Ryan's mom's house, and then we ate some more food, and then I was trying to get into the carnival so that we could get a, I wanted to get a funnel cake, so bad. I wanted to get a funnel cake, and I'm like, no, like, you have to stay straight, like, come on, like, you got this, just eat healthy, eat clean, lots of veggies and fruits, and yes, but, I don't know what that was. I don't know if you guys could hear that. There's some madness going on outside my window. But, if you guys made it this far in the video, definitely check out the fireworks. I'm about to show you guys here in a second, and I will be right back here with a vlog. So, definitely stay tuned for this, because let me tell you, it was fucking crazy. We were so close, like, they were like fucking like right there. Like right fucking there. Like, it was great. Just check them out, guys. I will show you right now. Ryan, come here. Check this out. Check it out on video. Well, that's sure
get the guys thinking.
I'm trying. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was my 4th of July. It wasn't all of my 4th of July, you know, it was just fireworks. But if you guys enjoyed it and you guys like to see me go out in public and do different things in public, like I have a lot of things coming up. I have a vacation coming up for work. So if you guys want to see anything that I do there, like I'm trying to really plan a couple of vacations. Like I want to go to the beach, I want to go to an amusement park, I'm trying to get skydiving, like so many fun things. So if you guys want to see more of me like outside of these four walls, please do subscribe and let me know in the comments. I know this was kind of a little bit of a longer vlog, but like I just wanted you guys to see the fireworks, and especially those people who didn't get the opportunity or the chance to actually go out and see them themselves. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, especially towards the end of the fireworks show, like the big finale kind of thing. Like that was really, really, really crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I do have a couple very, very cool things coming up in the next vlog or two, so make sure you stay tuned. We have so many things coming. I'm so excited, and I hope that you guys can see them and enjoy them along with me. My baby needs me now, so I'm gonna get off of here. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, safe day, and make sure to leave this video a like and a thumbs up, because I make videos almost every day, roughly every day, every other day, every 2 days, you know, but it is definitely weekly. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys later.